Hello, welcome back to another issue. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the Davinci Resolve media offline issue or unfound media in your Davinci Resolve project. So your first fix, you're going to try and relink the clip. So to do this, you want to right click the clip, you want to go to Relink Selected Clips and locate to the folder which has your clip in it. For me, it's going to be this folder right here. I'm going to select the folder, and as you can see, the media has been restored. Okay, so your next fix, you want to go to the top left and you want to make sure that your DaVinci Resolve is up to date. So you want to click on DaVinci Resolve in the top left and click check for updates. And then you want to download the latest update. I'm going to click skip for now since this is not my issue. So your next fix, you're going to try and reconfigure or disable the optimized media and proxies. So to do this, you want to go to playback and you want to see if you've got an option called use optimized media if available. If you do, you want to make sure this is unchecked. And for proxy handling, you want to disable all proxies. Now, if this didn't fix, you could try regenerating the proxies and the optimized media. So you want to right click your clip and you want to go down to generate media, optimized media. This will generate the optimized media. I'm going to cancel it since I do not need to do this and it did not fix my clip anyway. Your next one, you can generate the media, which will basically do the same process. I'm going to also cancel this since I do not need this. And then your next fix is going to be clearing the cache. So what you want to do is go to playback, and then you want to delete all render cache, and then you want to select all, and then you want to click delete and restart your DaVinci Resolve. Now, if all else fails, not everything's lost. So what you want to do is you want to close DaVinci Resolve, and then you want to open up your file explorer. You want to go to your videos and go to your, for example, this is my clip. And basically, this fix is going to fix the codec issue, which might cause your issue with the media offline on DaVinci Resolve. So you want to go into the description and download Handbrake, and you want to open this up. Now, once you've installed Handbrake, you want to drag your clip into here and let it process. And then you want to do these settings. So in the video tab or summary tab, you want to go to preset. You want to scroll down to hardware and you want to select H.265 NVNC 1080p or 4K, depending on which one you want to do. I'm just going to do 1080p. Then what you want to do is go to video. You want to select your video encoder. If you want to do H.265, that's up to you. But for this tutorial, I'm going to do 264, which is more supported by devices. Then on the frame rate, you want to keep it as same as source, and you want to select constant frame rate. And for your quality, if you want to keep your video quality, I suggest turning this to the max. And then you want to press start encode and let the handbrake encode your video. And I'll see you when this is done. Now, as Handbrake has finished encoding my video, I'm going to close out of Handbrake and I'm going to restart my DaVinci Resolve. Now as my Davinci Resolve has been opened, I'm going to select my project by double clicking it. And as you can see, the media is still offline here. So what you want to do is you want to actually remove this clip and delete it from here. And then you want to go into your folder and bring in the one encoded by Handbrake. Drag it into here, into Davinci Resolve. And then you want to just put it in your timeline. And as you can see, my issue has been fixed and the media is online. I can go through this clip up here and it's completely fixed. If this video has helped you fix your issue, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.